Hey guys, so super simple way how you can connect the ASUS laptop to the projector. So first what you need to do, you just have to connect them with the HDMI cable. So you're gonna have ASUS laptop, HDMI, and it's going to look like the ASUS VivoBook. Look here. So the ASUS VivoBook got the HDMI. It's going to look like here. So you're gonna take the HDMI cable, and then you're gonna have the projector HDMI port. And look here, this is how it looks. So you're gonna have HDMI port that you would connect to the HDMI on your projector, and you're gonna connect them like that. You get it, right? And it can look like this. So you're gonna have HDMI on your projector, and then you're just gonna have the HDMI on your laptop, and you're gonna connect them both, and that's how you're gonna do it. Super simple. So have a great day and goodbye.